Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So, when I was doing my 21-day raw vegan challenge, I had made plantain bread. But now I just want to make a specific video just showing you how I do it. So, I am always trying to make the video go fast as I can. So, I already started to cut up some here. So, the recipe I do is I do 2 cups of ripe plantains, 2 cups of plantains, and I cut them up here. You know, depends how your blender is. You can go as small or as big as you can. I had Irish mash gel in here, so it's okay to use back the same blender. And so it is so nice when you cut into the plantain or the bananas and you can see the seeds in it, and you know for sure that yes, this one has not been, what you said, manipulated. Yes, this is the real thing,
real deal,
the real deal. And we had planted this one ourselves, and so I had brought it up from Jamaica. So we know for sure that this is the real deal. So here we have now 2 full cups of ripe plantain. And now with that, I'm going to use Simple Life. I'm going to use with that 1 cup of flaxseed powder. So this now is going to be the binder of the plantain bread, the plantain flat bread. So 1 cup flaxseed powder. So you can make that into a half size if you don't want to do the 2 full. You could put 1 cup of plantain with half cup of flaxseed powder. So here we go, 2 cups of plantain, 1 cup of flaxseed. I am now going to put some cayenne pepper. You can put about 1 teaspoon of cayenne. For me, I do a lot of cayenne. So, you know, you do as much as you think you can handle. Cayenne to taste. But here I have 1 teaspoon of cayenne, and I have 1 teaspoon of, if you have the smoked paprika, it gives it a nice flavor. And so now we need a liquid. So Simple Life, you know, we're not want to use the sugar, right? So but you need, and you don't even have to use any sweetener with this too, because the plantain is already sweet. So you can add 2 cups of water, or you can have 2 cups of date paste, or you can add, I'll put these in the description, or you can have 2 cups of water with 8 dates and blend them all up. But here I made some grape juice, and the grape juice is so sweet. I thought for sure, even though it's healthy and it's good, I just think that I'm drinking too much. It's good sugar, but it was just a shock to my system. So I'm using the grape juice here now for this one. So I'm going to see if I can get 2 cups. Perfect. 2 cups of grape juice in here. And so now you are gonna mix it up with whatever you like. And somehow I think it's going to be too thick. I think I may need some water with this, but let's see, because the cups with the plantains were really, the plantains, it really was full. So let me get, what do you think?
Blend it first.
You bring it first? Okay.
Switch.
Okay. All right. Simple Life. You don't, I think you're right. I didn't really need any more. The recipe that I had was okay. Thank you. So now here I have the TEFLEX and I have the one with the lip. So this one has the lip, so it does not fall out. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. Okay. I love this bread. I love it so much because you can just, I don't know if you had seen the video where I do the 21 days raw vegan challenge, where I just put all my vegetables in it and just make a big old sandwich, and it's very nice. You can put salt in here if you want, but it does not really call for salt. You don't have to. You know, we eat too much salt, so if we have a recipe that the salt is not needed, we don't have to put it. Simple Life. And so I always like to not leave much on these in the blender, but okay. So you're gonna just try and fill out all the holes there. I have an offset spatula that I could use, but to grab it now, this is working just fine. So you could see the plantain color and you could see the flaxseed inside of it, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful color. I don't know if you have enough light to see. And that's it, Simple Life. You can smell the plantain. Okay. There you go. Okay. What you could do, Simple Life, if you want, and you have the cayenne pepper or the paprika, you can just you could just sprinkle, you know, some on top like that, you know, if it's personal and you know this is what. So this is for me now. Okay, and there you have it. And then I will dehydrate this at 115 for 8 hours. And then, no, I won't flip this. When I do it in this one, I just do it for 12 hours and it dehydrated all the way through. If it's the flat one you're using, you can dehydrate it for 6-8 hours and then flip it over and continue to dehydrate it until it is dry. When it is dry, it's going to be able to you know, manipulate whichever way you want. If you don't have a dehydrator, I did do this in the oven and I put it at the lowest temperature, which was 170, and it did bake and it did came out. And so I would encourage you, if you don't have the dehydrator, do this recipe, put it on whatever flat surface you have to use in the oven and put it at your lowest temperature for one. So what you do, Simple Life, put it at 350 and get your temperature up. Then you put it in the oven. When you put it in the oven, then you turn it back down now to 170 and just leave it there. I did it for 5 hours and in 5 hours it was done. So give it a try. Let me show you one that I did before. Hold on. So here is one. I have some Irish mash in there dehydrating, and that is why the water fell down on this. So this is the one that is already dehydrated, And here it is. So it's like a wrap. You know how you go in those stores and you see them have the wraps selling for how much money? You can actually make it yourself. Simple Life, just using this recipe that I gave you. Here it is. Your own wrap. You put it, you put your meat, you put your vegetable, not your meat, but you put your vegetable, your beans, your sprouts, whatever, and you wrap. You come in like so, come in like so, and you continue to wrap, and there you go. That's your salad. So Simple Life, that is it for now. Until next time, the recipe for plantain wrap. It's bendable, it's spreadable, it's eatable, it's just very good and very healthy. And you know, you see it holds together, and there is no wheat, there is no flour, there is nothing in here that should not be in your body, you know. So give it a try, give this recipe a try, and let me know. So thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time, God bless.
Amen.
Blessings.